Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to share with you my donation of our book in TUP Visayas Library. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to share with you my book donation of our book entitled Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, published by Unlimited Book Services Incorporated in Metro Manila. I will put a link in the video description where you can visit my publisher's website at the Library of Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas, yesterday, April 1, 2024. So as you can see in the picture, I donated to the librarian, no? So one of my advocacy, being an IT professional and a book author, is to spread learning and philanthropic job to share my work as an author to different uh, schools and libraries here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. So I just pray and hope that you will find my book useful, especially to the students who want to learn about artificial intelligence in general. That's it. So don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can visit my publisher website and purchase for the book. Thank you so much for your support. Until then, see you in the next video guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.